With everyone in the world talking about cryptocurrency, it makes sense that teenagers like myself want to start investing into Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. There's one problem though. We're not 18. How do you sign up for an account such as Coinbase or Binance that requires a social security number? I figured it out. I have a new song. I'll talk more about it at the end of the video, but I would really appreciate if you guys would pre-save the song. The link is going to be in the description. Let's hop into the video. First link we're going to have in the description is going to be to sign up to Bit4x. Bit4x is a crypto exchange website. You can buy Bitcoin, sell Bitcoin, transfer, all of the good stuff that you need. And you only need an email to sign up. Once you're on this page, you're just going to type in your email, your password, verify your email, and you're going to click on register. Second link I'm going to have for you guys is going to be the Atomic Wallet website. You can download the Atomic Wallet on Windows, on Mac, or on your desired mobile platform. For this tutorial, I'm not going to be showing you guys how to make an Atomic Wallet account. It's honestly pretty easy. Just download it on your phone, create a password. You can buy Bitcoin on there. And now I'm going to show you guys how to transfer it to Bit4x. Once you're on Bit4x, it's going to look like this. You guys are going to want to come up to the top right, which my webcam is covering, and you're going to want to click on Assets. Once you are under your assets, you're going to come down to Deposit, and this is where you're going to deposit your Bitcoin from your wallet app into Bit4x. If you guys don't know how to transfer Bitcoin from your wallet to Bit4x, I'm going to show you right now. It's really easy. You're just going to come up to Choose a Token. You're going to select Bitcoin, then it's going to display your Bitcoin deposit address. On your wallet app, once you've purchased your Bitcoin, you're just going to send your desired amount to this deposit address on Bit4x. The whole process shouldn't take more than about an hour to transfer. You're going to open up your Atomic Wallet app that you downloaded from earlier. Once you open up the app, it's either going to ask you to log into your wallet or to create a new one. Once you're on Atomic Wallet, it's super easy to send crypto over to Bit4x. You could either choose to send straight USD dollars, or you could choose to send Bitcoin over to Bit4x. I'm going to choose Bitcoin. So in order to get Bitcoin first, we're going to have to go down to the buy tab, and we're going to have to buy some Bitcoin. Once you have your Bitcoin, you're going to go over to your Bitcoin. You're going to tap on send. Then you're going to type in that Bitcoin address that we got from our wallet earlier on Bit4x. We're going to type in the amount of Bitcoin we want to send and then send all. And that's about it for the wallet. And now boom, you have your Bitcoin on Bit4x. The last thing you guys are going to want to do is to transfer your money from your wallet into your spot account. And you can then start buying Dogecoin and any other crypto you want. Again, this is very simple. You're just going to come to transfer under wallet. You're going to want to come up to coin/token, select BTC, Bitcoin, from wallet to spot account, and you're going to transfer all and click confirm. I've already done this, so I don't have any to transfer. Now that you have your Bitcoin in your spot account is what you're going to be using to buy your crypto. You can't buy crypto just straight from your wallet. You need to pretty much transfer it into your buying account under Bit4x. Now under assets, if you select spot account, it will show you all the cryptos that you can buy and that you own at the top. Now we're set. You can come over to Bitcoin, click on trade or any other crypto. And at this point, now that you have your money in your spot account, you can buy Bitcoin, sell Bitcoin, or do whatever you want on Bit4x. Managing all of your money is always going to be under the Asset tab on Bit4x. Once you're done with a certain amount of Bitcoin and you choose to sell it, it's going to be the same process as before, where you're going to come up to transfer. You're going to transfer your desired amount of Bitcoin from your spot account back to your wallet, transfer all, and then you will have your money back in your wallet. I hope this video helped, guys. If you guys want more crypto videos and financial type videos in the future, let me know. I'm really into this stuff right now, so I know a lot about it and I would love to share more with you guys. Again, I would really appreciate if you guys would pre-save my new song, link in the description. The song releases on May 14th. And I'll see you guys in the next one.
Yeah, I don't know why do you keep talking about me? It's like you obsessed, yeah, you're not my family. I be